Good morning. Welcome to Our Town at Comma Coffee. I'm Kurt Caraway. We're going to be talking with Cortney Bloomer from the Carson City Department of Health and Human Services about free flu vaccinations. Right now we're going to take a short break for a word from our sponsor.
Never before have two words said so much. I am is what motivates us every day.
I am grateful.
I am is what drives us to treat each patient like family.
I am blessed.
And I am is what you can depend on when you need it most.
I am a survivor.
I heal.
I care.
I am Carson Tahoe.
And we're back, talking with Cortney Bloomer. How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing great, Kirk. How are you?
Okay, so it's, even though it's hot, it's getting to the cold and flu season.
It is. It's creeping up on us. It's 90 degrees out today, but it's not going to stay that way. Flu season is starting in Carson City. We're actually already starting to see some sporadic reports of flu right here in Carson City. So at the health department, we want everybody to be ready. So today we're going to talk a little bit about some of the flu vaccination campaigns that we've got going on.
Okay, well, tell us about what you've got. I mean, obviously we need to get, if we're going to keep people out of the flu, we got to get them vaccinated. At least I think that's a message that's finally getting out there.
Absolutely, and they've changed the recommendations for vaccinations this year. Previously they'd recommended vaccination against the flu for specific groups of people, but starting this year the flu vaccine is recommended for everyone over 6 months of age, and that's a message that we really want to get out to our community. And so to try and make it easy for everybody to get their flu vaccine, we've been really reaching out and working with some community partners to get people vaccinated. We started out our flu season this year with a campaign in the Carson City schools, and we were real successful, and we're really thankful for our partnership with Carson City schools. We were able to vaccinate 44% of the students in Carson City schools. So we're really excited about that, and over 50% of the faculty and staff got vaccinated as well. So that campaign was the start of our flu season, and we are really pleased of the ongoing relationship we have with the schools. After H1N1 last year, a lot of people are familiar with the flu that went through last year, and we started our partnership with the school there, and they invited us to come back again, and we really appreciate the opportunity to keep our kids healthy this winter.
Yeah, my daughter came home, she had her little Band-Aid on, and and I think she kept it on for 2 days.
Yeah.
She didn't want to get rid of it. It was very pretty.
Well, so we try to serve with some nice Band-Aids. I know we have some Looney Tunes. I got mine a few weeks ago, and I had Bugs Bunny. So getting ready to do our 7th annual free community flu vaccination day, and that's coming up on Saturday, October 16th. This year, for the first time, we're going to have 3 locations. Last year we did 2 locations. We had the National Guard and then also the location at the Senior Center. This year we're going to add a location at East Fork Fire Station 12, which is down just over the line in Douglas County on Sunridge Drive.
Okay.
So this is our inaugural clinic down there with our partners from Douglas County Emergency Management, and we're really excited to be working with them for the first time.
Okay, so we can serve a little folks on the south side there, and
absolutely,
and the north part of Douglas County, I guess, too. Do they have to be Carson City residents to get these, or is it? No,
anybody can come to our clinic. We're going to have the 3 locations. We have ordered a big supply of vaccine. Last year we did 5,000 people at our 2 clinics at the National Guard and at the Senior Center, and this year we've ordered 7,500 doses. So we're not going to run out. We want everybody to come and get their flu shot at those 3 locations.
Wow, okay. Well, that's great. You know what? We're going to take a short break right now and come right back after a word from our sponsor.
The Carson Mall has fantastic food. All this and more at the Carson Mall.
And we're back talking with Cortney Bloomer from the Carson City Health and Human Services. Now the clinics, are they where I can drive through? I can stick my arm out the window and get a shot?
Absolutely. A lot of people in Carson City, we've been doing this a few years now. People are getting familiar with our drive-thru clinics. This year, again, with the drive-thru clinics, the only walk-in clinic we're going to do is the one at the Senior Center. That one has been a walk-in for the last few years. So that one is at 911 Beverly Drive at the Senior Center, which is right next door to the health department. Right. And then we're going to have the other two clinics as drive-thrus. We'll have the drive-thru at the Nevada National Guard over on Fairview Drive, and you know, stick your arm out the window, get a shot. We'll have the flu mist available as well for the folks who don't want to get shot in the arm. And the one down at in Douglas County at East Fork Station 12 is also going to be a drive-thru clinic this year.
Well, that's an interesting thing. I've seen them do that before. It's just like, yeah, stick your arm out and give me a cheeseburger while I'm at it. So
yeah, do you want fries with that? No, we're not going to have fries at our flu clinic, people. But do come down and get your flu shot, and we will be doing the drive-thrus. They're a quick, easy way to get your shot or your flu mist. You don't even have to get out of the car. We've got a great staff of people to guide you through. I do want to mention that at the Nevada National Guard, it is necessary for the driver of the vehicle to present their driver's license at that venue.
Okay, so the security part of that.
Absolutely.
Yes, right. So now tell me, besides these drive-thru clinics, now what the other programs you got going? So
well, we have, of course, our Thursday vaccination days. If you can't make it on October 16th from 9 to 1, which is the dates of the drive-thru and the walk-in at those 3 locations, we are offering flu shots and flu mist in the clinic on our regular vaccination days, which is Thursday between 8:30 and 4:30. And the cost in the clinic is $20 to get the shot and $25 to get the flu mist. But if you come on the 16th, it is free. So you save some money by coming on the 16th, but we understand that not everybody is going to be able to make it on that day, and so we are offering it in the clinic as well.
Yeah. So what allows you to do it for free? Where do you get your funding? Is this from the city, or is it from other grants and things like that?
That's a great question. The funding for this is actually part of our preparedness program. The drive-thru and walk-in flu clinics each year serve 2 purposes. First of all, we of course want to make sure that everybody in our community has access to the flu vaccine. The second purpose for us as the health department is to practice our emergency preparedness. It's really important that in the event of an emergency, we have a plan for distributing supplies or medication to people in our community, and we have certain targets we have to meet as to how many people we can reach in a given time frame. And this event allows us to practice that every year and make sure that we are prepared to distribute medication or supplies to community members in case of an emergency here in Carson City.
Wow, okay. All right. Now also tell us a little bit more about the program that's besides the walk-in thing. The walk-in part, you had the
walk-in is at the Senior Center.
Right. And then also, well, your weekly program.
Our weekly program is just part of our regular vaccination clinics. So every Thursday we offer vaccines at the health department, and that's not just flu vaccine. You know, if you need to get vaccinated for school, or the chickenpox, or pneumovax for older folks, we have that every Thursday is our vaccination clinic. And now that it's flu season, we're also offering flu shots during that time.
Okay. Well, tell us, where else can people get information about this? How can they get some more information about what you do?
Well, the best place to find information about the health department is on our website. It's gethealthycarsoncity.org. We also have a Facebook page that's Carson City Health and Human Services, and that's a great place to find updates about the health department. We're on there almost every day, and for the latest news and information, our Facebook page is the best place.
Okay, well, thank you for coming on and talking to us, and thank you for tuning in to Our Town. We will catch you next time.
Care. It's a word we hear every day. But what does it really mean?
It means loving what you do.
Care is respect, dignity, kindness, and joy.
It means being passionate about what you do.
Care is what we do every day.
It means everything to my patients.
I am healthcare that does care.
I am Carson Tahoe.